Every country has that one weird food, whether it's cactuses from Mexico or bamboo rice from China. But here in Georgia, it's on a whole nother level. This right here is churchkella, a traditional Georgian treat. Now let's see how it's made. To first know how churchkella is made, we need to know the ingredients. Ingredients are usually harvested during autumn when all the ingredients are available. These ingredients include grape and walnuts. So now that we know all the ingredients, let's see how it's made. And to answer that question, I had to find someone who was really good at making churchkellas. So I pulled over to the side of the road and I found a nice old lady who was really good at making churchkellas.
А сколько дней она держится?
Это 3-4 дня.
Now I still don't think many of you understand how to make churchkella, so I'm going to make it myself and show you. All you're going to need to make churchkella is flour, nuts, and juice. You can use any juice as long as it's 100%. To start off, take a needle and attach some string to it. You're going to use this needle to poke holes through the nuts and creating a necklace with the nuts. It should look something like this. For step 2, mix flour and the bottle of juice you have. Make sure to mix slowly and keep stirring. 130 grams of flour is roughly enough for 1 bottle of juice. Once all the flour has dissolved, put the mixture on medium heat and wait. Make sure to keep stirring with a wooden spoon. As you keep mixing, you'll start to notice that the mixture will become more like jelly. This is what's called tartara in Georgian. What we're looking for is a really jellyish consistency, almost like a porridge. Now at this point, you can turn off the heat and start adding in your string of nuts. You put the string of nuts in the pot, make sure to cover it with the tartara, and leave it in there for maybe a couple seconds, and then pull it out. And that's your churchkella. But before you eat it, make sure to hang it for at least a day. My churchkellas are finally ready. I left them outside for about a day, but you can leave them up to a year. So without further ado, let's do the taste test. Yeah, I found out it's best to stick to the traditional version. Use grape juice.